Okay, we begin by reading the question.
So here is a solve math problem. And the problem is an apartment complex has 2/3 of total men married to 3/4 of total women. What is the ratio of men to women? So far, and then question 1 says, what do you understand in terms of equality? 2/3 of total men and 3/4 of total women. Number 2 is, can you use ratios to solve this problem? And number 3 is, can you use common numerators as well? And number 4 is, why does it help to have common denominators? So dealing with question 1, what do you understand, like from reading off the first stat? So 2/3 of men, to me, in my mind, I say that's about 66% of men right there. And 3/4 to me is 75. That's number 1, how I thought of it. And then number 2, can you use ratios to solve this problem? You can. And then number 3, can you use common numerators as well? To me, number 3 and 4 are kind of correlated. Because numerators on top and denominators around, so automatically I think of fractions. So how I find that's number 1, how I thought of it. And then number 2, can you use ratios to solve this problem? You can. And then number 3, can you use common numerators as well? To me, number 3 and 4 are kind of correlated. Because numerators on top and denominators around, so automatically I think of fractions. So how I'm going to do this, I give a cross multiply.
Yeah, okay, so now how would you solve this problem?
Okay,
your way. And
your way? So I guess 2/3 of men and then 3/4 of women, and then I'm just gonna do the numerator, and I see the thing that has in common with the numerator is 2 and 3, so that's 6. So I'm going to multiply both sides, this side by 3, right here, and this over side by 2, so both of the fractions will equal to 6.
Okay.
This will now equal to 6/3, and this one will be 8/4.
Alright.
Right? And the bottom one too, forgot about that. It will be 6/9 men. And then multiply this will be 6 over 8 men minus. So I guess conclusion is out of every 9 women, 6 of them are married. 6 men are married to them.
So you mean out of every 9 men, 6 of them are married?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then out of every 8 women, 6 women are married to men. So this tells me there's a ratio of more of men than compared to women.
Yeah, which is the ratio is 9 to 8.
9, yeah.
As what the denominator is telling us.
Yeah.
Okay, this is using the common denominator. And could you use ratios?
Ratios? Let me see. How would I use ratios?
Yeah, to use ratios? Yeah, we can have we can put it like 2/3 of men equals to 3/4 of women.
2/3 of men equals to 3/4 of women?
Yeah, and we can use the methods of cross multiplying.
So if I cross multiply, then it will be 8 equals to 9. So same thing.
Yeah, 8 men equals to
8 men equals to 9 women. 8 men equals to 9 women.
And the men and women are actually unknown constants. Actually, so what does it say in terms of the ratio? Is the ratio of men to women 8 to 9 or 9 to 8?
9 to 8?
Yeah, it's 9 to 8 because...
9 to 8. So, and then solve it by denominators now?
Okay, now we can actually rearrange this equation and say that they are actually the men equals to 9/8 of the women.
9/8
right?
of the women?
If you divide both sides by 8.
True. So the men equals to what? Out of every 9 women, 8 men are married to them? Right.
Okay. And so that means now we just need to answer the question right now, like the ratio of men to women in the apartment. Because we got the clues of how many men, the proportion of men married to the proportion of women. Now we need to figure out what is the ratio of the men to women in the apartment.
Men to women. Then you divide. How would you do that?
Which is from here, we know that the number of men is actually 9/8 of the women. That means for every 9 men, you have 8 women. Because if you bring the 9 down, you have men over 9, over women over 8. That basically means that for every 9 men, you have 8 women. Yeah, so that basically solves the problem.
Basically flip-flop.
Yeah, we can flip that one.
Good.
Okay, and basically that's about it. Like if you understand, this whole problem is about proportional reasoning. And so this is for you to understand how proportional reasoning works. This is our problem.